Strategies for implementing effective supply chain risk management. Supply chain risk management, an overview. Effective supply chain risk management is crucial for ensuring.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Ensuring business continuity and resilience in today's complex and interconnected world of supply chain management. Modern supply chains are characterized by their intricacies and interdependencies, which can amplify the impact of disruptions. To navigate these challenges, organizations must adopt proactive risk management strategies that address potential threats and ensure smooth operations.
Understanding supply chain risk management. Supply chain risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could disrupt the flow of goods and services. It encompasses a wide range of potential threats, including internal factors such as operational inefficiencies and external factors like geopolitical events and natural disasters. Effective risk management in the supply chain is vital for maintaining business operations, protecting financial performance, and ensuring customer satisfaction. 1. Scope of supply chain risks. Supply chain risks can stem from various sources, including internal factors, production delays, quality issues, and workforce disruptions. External factors, supplier failures, natural disasters, political instability, and economic fluctuations. 2. Impact of supply chain disruptions. Supply chain disruptions, such as unforeseen delays or shortages, can have severe consequences for business operations, leading to delayed deliveries, increased costs, and lost revenue. Additionally, they can damage an organization's reputation and erode customer trust. Effective risk management in supply chain management helps mitigate these impacts and supports business continuity. Common risks in supply chain management. Several types of risks can affect supply chains, each requiring tailored strategies for management. 1. Operational risks. Operational risks include production delays, quality control issues, and logistical challenges. These risks can disrupt the smooth flow of goods and impact overall efficiency. 2. Financial risks. Financial risks involve fluctuations in currency exchange rates, changes in market demand, and the financial instability of suppliers. These risks can affect the cost and availability of supplies. 3. Geopolitical risks. Geopolitical risks arise from political instability, trade restrictions, and regulatory changes. These factors can disrupt international supply chains and impact the movement of goods across borders. 4. Environmental risks. Environmental risks include natural disasters, climate change, and sustainability concerns. These risks can lead to supply chain disruptions and increased costs due to the need for compliance with environmental regulations. Examples: natural disasters. The 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan disrupted global supply chains, particularly in the automotive and electronics industries. Geopolitical events. Trade tensions between the US and China have led to increased tariffs and supply chain uncertainties for many businesses. Interdependencies in supply chains. The interconnected nature of supply chains means that a disruption in one area can have a ripple effect throughout the entire network. For example, a delay in raw material delivery can halt production and delay product shipments, affecting multiple stakeholders. Effective supply chain and risk management strategies are essential to mitigate such impacts and ensure smooth operations across the network. Strategies for identifying supply chain risks. Identifying potential supply chain risks is the first step in effective risk management. Several methods can be used to help organizations anticipate and prepare for disruptions. 1. Risk mapping and scenario analysis. Risk mapping involves identifying potential risks and mapping out their possible impact on the supply chain. Scenario analysis helps organizations explore various risk scenarios and develop contingency plans. 2. Continuous monitoring and early warning systems. Continuous monitoring of supply chain activities and external factors allows organizations to detect potential risks early. Early warning systems can provide alerts about emerging threats, enabling proactive responses. 3. Data analytics and predictive modeling. Data analytics and predictive modeling can help identify patterns and trends that indicate potential risks. By analyzing historical data and using predictive algorithms, organizations can forecast potential disruptions and take preventive measures. Data analytics, predictive modeling, and effective risk management in supply chain management can identify patterns and trends that indicate potential risks. By analyzing historical data and using predictive algorithms, organizations can forecast potential disruptions and take preventive measures. Mitigation strategies for supply chain risks. Mitigating supply chain risks involves implementing strategies that reduce the likelihood and impact of disruptions. 1. Diversification of suppliers. Diversifying the supplier base reduces dependency on single suppliers and enhances supply chain resilience. Benefits: increased flexibility, reduced risk of supply chain disruptions, and improved negotiation power. Tips: identify and qualify alternative suppliers, establish multi-sourcing strategies, and maintain relationships with backup suppliers. 2. Strengthening supplier relationships. Building strong, collaborative relationships with key suppliers fosters trust and transparency, which are essential for effective risk management. Strategies: regular communication, joint risk management initiatives, and long-term partnership agreements. Examples: shared risk assessments, co-developing contingency plans, and aligning business goals. 3. Implementing technology solutions. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing supply chain visibility and risk management. Supply chain management software improves tracking, forecasting, and decision-making. Blockchain enhances transparency and traceability. IoT devices provide real-time monitoring of supply chain activities. Cybersecurity measures protect supply chain data and systems from cyber threats.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.